Did you know PostgreSQL is a powerhouse for RAG applications? Its scalability, full text search, and vector search capabilities make it a top choice. Let's dive into why it's perfect for enhancing LLMs. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. PostgreSQL's ACID compliance ensures data integrity, while its extensibility allows seamless integration with AI frameworks. These features make it indispensable for building robust RAG systems. Ready to set up PostgreSQL? Start by installing it along with the pgvector extension. This setup is crucial for handling embeddings efficiently. Create a database and table to store text documents and their embeddings. This foundational step is key to managing your data effectively. Harness the power of cosine similarity to retrieve relevant documents. Use SQL or Python to implement search functions that enhance your RAG system's efficiency. Integrate retrieved documents with LLMs for superior response generation. This synergy between PostgreSQL and AI models elevates your application's performance. Optimize your queries with indexing techniques for faster results. Scaling PostgreSQL with partitioning and connection pooling ensures your system handles high loads effortlessly. Store metadata like categories and timestamps for better filtering. By doing so, you'll enhance your RAG system's precision and scalability.